In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to add a photo right away, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now if you want to take it, use camera section at the top. After you tap on the shutter, your photo will be automatically attached. To add any of those photos, click on them. And if you can't find them, scroll down until you see all of those options. Now you can select all of your photos you want to add and hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!